OST files are the proprietary file format of MS Outlook. So, you can access these files only through the Outlook application. But what if the Outlook OST file has been corrupted? Now, you can open the file even with the help of Outlook. If you are dealing with the same, we bring an ultimate solution to your problem. DRS OST Viewer Tool. It is the most effective tool to repair and access Outlook OST files without MS Outlook or Exchange. The OST File Viewer application has various prominent features for a better user experience. The OST Viewer can restore corrupted, damaged, or orphan OST files. It displays all mailbox items like emails, attachments, contacts, calendars, etc. It has 3 recovery modes: Standard, Advanced, and Deep. Its Advanced File Search option helps you scan any folder for OST files. You can view the Outlook OST file created by any Outlook version. DRS OST Viewer Tool has some prerequisites. You have to fulfill these conditions to use the software. Run the tool with administrator permissions. Disable antivirus and Windows Defender programs as they hinder tool operation. An active internet connection will be required when you update the tool. Now, let us check how to use the application to open damaged OST files. Also, we will learn about its features. Go to the official website of DRS Softtech and download the DRS OST Viewer Tool. Install the application and run it as administrator. After launching the tool, you are on the main screen of the application. At the top, you will see the menu bar that contains various options. To view an OST file, press the Open button from this menu bar. Now, the Select OST File wizard will appear. Click on the Browse button represented by 3 dots. Next, locate the desired Outlook OST file. Select it and press the Open button. This will add the required OST file. Alternatively, you can also use the Advanced File Search feature. Press the Search button. Browse the folder that you want to scan and click OK. After that, press the Search button to initiate the scanning of the selected folder. After completing the scan, you will see all the available Outlook OST files in the list. Select the required items from the list and click OK. Next, choose the recovery mode. Expand the list and opt from either Standard, Advanced, or Deep mode. You can opt for any option as per your requirement. We are selecting Standard mode for demonstration. Tick the Handle Alignment Errors in OST Files option to fix alignment errors in the selected file. After that, choose the appropriate OST file encoding. If you do not know the encoding, tick the Auto Detect option. Next, expand the OST file encryption and select the desired encryption type. Mark the Support Non-English Characters option to view non-English characters. Click on the OK button to start the file recovery. Wait for a moment as the tool is scanning your Outlook OST file. After finishing the scanning, you will see a confirmation message. Click OK to close it. Now, you will see the recovered file content in the left pane in the form of a tree structure. Select any mailbox item. The right section will show you the content of the selected item. If you want to save the email list as an HTML file, click on the Export button at the top. The DRS OST Viewer Tool does not save the recovered OST file. So, click on the Buy button to upgrade the OST File Viewer to OST Recovery Tool. It is the complete working procedure of the DRS OST Viewer Tool. After performing the above steps, you can easily open corrupted Outlook OST files. Visit our website to download the software. If you have any queries related to the product, please contact us at the mentioned emails. Thanks for watching the video.